Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today we're going to be making loaded taco bowls in honor of Cinco de Mayo. So the ingredients you're going to need are some pulled chicken. You're going to also need a taco bowl kit, some taco seasoning, of course. You're going to need some diced tomatoes. You're going to need some red onion. We need red onions. And you're going to need some Mexican style rice already done. So let's get started. Oh, and I almost forgot the salsa. So first things first, I did put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and go ahead and add your chicken to your pan. Now the chicken has already been warmed up in the microwave because that's what the container calls for. So once I put it in here, it's just getting those juices and those flavors to marinate together. So go ahead and add your chicken in. Then we're going to go to the next step. After your chicken is in the pan, you're going to go ahead and add in your salsa. Now be sure to have the right amount of salsa to cover your chicken. Go ahead and start adding in your taco seasoning. You're going to add maybe about 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. If you had a lot of chicken, then you will probably add a little bit more, but it's to your taste and your liking. So go ahead and let that salsa and the taco seasoning marinate in that chicken so you can have delicious flavor when you bite into your taco. And I'll say for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Alrighty, now it's time to load up these taco bowls. And this is the meat, and this is how it's going to look. And guys, it smells so yummy. We're going to go ahead and start putting our chicken in our bowls. And like I said, feel free to use beef, pork, turkey meat if you would like, or no meat at all. It's up to you. But I'm using pulled chicken today. Next up, we're going to be adding in some of our Mexican style rice. Guys, as you can tell in my videos, I am a pasta lover. I love pasta. I love rice. It's just my thing. So go ahead and add in your Mexican style rice. Next up is our red onions. So go ahead and add in a sprinkle of red onions to your taco bowl. Next up, we're going to be adding in some tomatoes. And now we're going to put on some lime juice. You know you have to have lime when you are having a Mexican fiesta night. Next up, I'm going to be making an easy but yummy sauce to put on top of your taco. I'm going to be using some sour cream. I'm going to be using a half of a lime. I'm going to be using a pinch of salt, just a little bit. And I'm going to be using a grater for some lime zest. So let's get started. So go ahead and put in your sour cream in your bowl. Next up, we're going to get our lime, and we're going to put some lime juice inside the sour cream. You can do the whole lime, or you can just do some of the lime. So I'm going to use basically most of the lime. All right, we're going to go ahead and do a few pinches of salt. If you do not want to use salt, it's totally fine because there's going to be salt in your tacos. So feel free to omit the salt if you do not want to use the salt. Next up, we're going to get that lime that we used, and we're going to get our grater, and we're going to put in some lime zest. Go ahead and blend up your sour cream, lime juice, and zest. That's how it's going to look. Feel free to use more lime zest. Now it's time to put our sour cream on top of our tacos. Guys, this is so delicious. You have got to try it. It is so simple, and it's just sour cream, it's salt, it's lime juice, and it's lime zest. Just 4 ingredients, and it takes your taco to another level.